Welcome to this new video of this course. So here I'm going to talk about how to make your own Lo Shu chart. So I hope you all have your date of birth ready. You are ready with the pen and a paper, and if possible, I told you in the last video also that keep at least 15 to 20 date of births handy with yourself so that you can practice more and more how to make the Lo Shu chart for yourself and others too. This will help you to understand the personality of that person whose date of birth you have taken. So I explained you this is considered the standard Lo Shu chart. What is the standard Lo Shu chart? It is a reference chart. We will use this reference chart to fill our date of birth in your chart. So this is your chart. Let's suppose your date of birth is 9 February 2004. Let's suppose this is the date of birth. So what we will do? We will calculate the birth number. So birth number is 9. I hope you know how to calculate the birth number and the destiny number until now. And the destiny number is 4 plus 2 6, 7 8, and plus 9 gives 17, which adds up to 1 plus 7 equals to 8. So birth number is 9 and destiny number is 8. So the rule number 1 is enter birth number. So what is the birth number? The birth number is 9. You will add this, you will write this 9 exactly where it is written in the standard Lo Shu chart. This is the reference chart and this is your chart. So since this 9 is placed over here, so you will place 9 here. Rule number 2, enter destiny number. The destiny number is 8. So where it is written in the standard chart, it is written over here. So we will place exactly here. Okay. So once the 9 and the 8, that is the birth number and the destiny number is placed, you will place the numbers exactly. Now rule number 3, look for the exception rule. So I gave you an idea of the exception rule in the previous video. So what was the exception rule? The exception rule was if any person is born on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 9, 10, 20 and 30 of any month, then that number will only come once in the Lo Shu chart. His or her birth number will be placed but not date of birth again. So you need to look for the exception rule. Is that exception rule applying over here? So yes, because the exception rule says that if it is your date of birth is 9 of any month, then you will not enter again in the Lo Shu chart. So we will cut this and we will go from here. So 0 is not placed in the Lo Shu chart. Why 0 is not placed in the Lo Shu chart is because 0 is considered as a number. Let's take it this way, that Earth is not considered here. Earth is a planet is not considered here because we stay on Earth planet and Earth is given the 0 number. So because we are here, we do not consider that planet. So 0 will not be considered. There is no place of 0 in the Lo Shu chart. You cannot see, right? Now the next number is 2. You will place 2. The 2 is here. You will write 2. Again 2 is there. We will again write 2. And there is 4. Where it is written 4. So here we complete the Lo Shu chart. So this is the Lo Shu chart of a person whose date of birth is 9 February 2004. Let's take another example. Let's suppose the date of birth is 19/9/2016. Let's suppose the date of birth is this. What we will do, we will calculate the birth number. So the birth number is 1 plus 9 gives 10, which gives 1. Destiny number is, we will cut the 9 and we will add up 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. It is 1 again. So what was the rule number? 1. Rule number was that you will have to enter the birth number first. So the birth number is 1. 1 is placed here. We will place 1. The rule number second, place the destiny number is 1. 1 is placed here. We will again enter 1. Okay. Now we will move on to the date of birth. So 1, 9, 9. Okay. Second time, 2, 1 and 6. So this is how the Lo Shu chart is prepared. I hope this clears what is, how to make the your own Lo Shu chart. Now you are very clear, and now let's take this screenshot of this exception rule. Yes, I forgot. Rule number 3 was exception rule. Look for the exception rule. Is it applying or not applying? So is this date of birth between 1 to 9? No. Is it 10, 20 or 30? No. So definitely this rule doesn't apply here, and that is the reason why in this case we took 19 date of birth. We considered 19 date of birth and we entered the digits of 19, that is 1 and 9. So here now you will understood, or now you must have understand that how to make your own Lo Shu chart. So you have your 20 to 25 or 10 to 15, whatever date of births are available with you. Prepare each person's date of birth Lo Shu chart with their names and genders specified. Now we will move to the next section of the video where I will talk about the planes in the Lo Shu grid. Let me give you a little idea. We have a planes. What do we mean by the plane? That when the numbers are planed in a specific order, like here, this is the emotional plane, this is the practical plane. So it has their own meanings. I will explain what does each plane mean. This is called the mental plane, this is called the emotional plane, this is called the practical plane. There is another plane, 438 completes the thought plane, 951 gives the will plane and action plane. So what does each plane means and what is the meaning of having the plane's number, I will explain you in the next video. Until then, bye bye. Jai Shri Krishna.